In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical dividers in Notion. This is a simple, reliable way to add a clean vertical line to your page using built-in tools, and it works great for separating content into distinct sections. Start by opening the Notion website. Once you're in, either create a new page or open an existing one where you want the divider to appear. You don't need any special templates or widgets. Everything we'll use is already in Notion. Click into the page and type the / command for a quote block. Just type a /, then the word quote, and select the quote block that appears. The / command is a quick way to insert blocks without hunting through menus, and the quote block is perfect because it includes a vertical bar on the left edge. With the quote block inserted, place your cursor inside it. Now press Shift + Enter to insert a soft line break. Keep pressing Shift and Enter repeatedly to stack blank lines inside the block. Each soft break adds height to the quote, and you'll see the left border extend downward, forming a vertical line. A quick tip here: pressing Enter by itself creates a new block, which you don't want. Shift + Enter keeps you in the same block and lets you build that line as tall as you need. Stop when the line roughly matches the height you want next to your content. You can always come back and add or remove a few breaks to fine-tune the length. Next, turn that line into a true vertical divider on your page. Hover your mouse over the block until you see the 6-dot handle appear to the left. Click and hold that handle, then drag the block toward the left edge of your content. Watch for the blue guideline to appear. This indicates where the block will create a new column. When the blue line shows up in the position you want, let go. The quote block will snap into place, and that left border becomes your vertical divider between columns. If the divider isn't quite the right length, click back into the quote block and add or remove Shift + Enter breaks to adjust it. You can also drag the block slightly left or right to fine-tune its position. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, insert a quote block with the / command, build the line with Shift + Enter, and drag by the 6 dots until the blue line appears. You now have a clean, vertical divider in Notion.